If you're constantly creating presentations, then check out this PowerPoint tutorial. First, insert a rectangle to cover the slide. Head to the Shapes group and insert a circle. Match the circle's height and width with the height of the slide. Then align the circle on the bottom right of the slide. With the circle selected, select the rectangle and merge with the Intersect Merge option. Then change the color of the shape and remove the outline. Duplicate the slide 4 times. On the second slide, insert your slide elements. Head to the third slide. Select the shape, flip it horizontally, and align it to the bottom left. Change the color and insert your slide elements. Head to the fourth slide. Select the shape, flip it vertically, and align it to the top right. Change the color and insert your slide elements. Repeat the process for the last slide. Once you're done, head to the first slide and delete the shape. Then head to the Insert tab, select the Slide Zoom option, and insert these 4 slides. With the slide zooms selected, head to the Zoom tab and increase their size. Then align each slide zoom to its corresponding section on the slide. Remove the zoom borders and background of each slide zoom for a clean look. For the last slide zoom, enable Return to Zoom for smooth navigation. There you go. Now check out more amazing PowerPoint tutorials on my profile.